Does anybody know what Aashwasan really does? I mean, beyond the services, beyond the impact in people, the actual vision. You know, our journey is about bringing lives in the original way or the natural way we were designed. Not just as a design inside, but even as an experience. Each one of us living in this body. Aashwasan's journey is about facilitating that experience of each individual, about getting to know themselves and not that conditioning. And would you believe it? That these conditionings began from the moment you even came out of the womb, and much before that, when you were inside your mom. Did you know that? You know that? Okay. Can you imagine how intricately these conditionings have been webbed into us? It's amazing, isn't it? If we continue like this, none of us will ever fall in love. What hope for this world? Seriously. I don't think we all want that, do we?